Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is May 15, 2015. It is a Friday. It is options expiration. So we're going to get right here started on the charts. And what you're going to see here is that the futures right now are trading up by about $2.50, right to $2,120 per contract. So a decent little pop on the futures, continuing their winning ways from yesterday. Now this is an options X. We could still see some rocking of the boat. It is also a Friday. Generally, if this was 2014, I would say Fridays are going to finish positive. However, in 2015, we have seen a lot of rocky Fridays where the markets have shifted. So we still got to be a little bit careful. But right now, volume looks like it's going to be pretty light today, especially as we get to the afternoon part of the trading session. And that usually will help keep the market buoyant. Now, let's keep our mind open today, and we'll look at some stocks in the news. We'll see what's in play. We're going to start off with Pollo Loco. Ticker symbol is LOCO. Right now, the stock is trading at $25.49. I'm going to have gap levels for this one, but this, remember, is a light volume stock. Rarely does it trade 1 million shares a day, so it comes with a little bit higher risk. But nonetheless, I'll have gap levels posted up in the intraday stock chat room, and we will look to play this one today off of a gap play. Next one on my radar is going to be Symantec, SYMC, Internet Security here. Stock right now is trading right around $25 a share, closed at $25.90, so it's dipping a little bit. There's going to be a little minor support right around $24.60, but the level that I like the best for this stock today would be if it could sell off to around $23.11. That's a level where I would look to get involved, and I think that's best bet for Symantec today. Next one on the radar is Applied Materials. Ticker symbol is AMAT. Stock closed at $19.86. That was actually a pretty good year. And now it's trading at $20.65. So keep this one on the radar today. It will be in play. That's a nice little pop higher. Again, there's a big gap window if you look back to April 27th, and I'm just going to pull that up for you real quick. You'll see right here is a big gap window. That gap window high is about $20.55. So again, you should see some resistance there, but it's minor. We're right at that level now, or a hair above it. But the big level today for this one, in my opinion, if the stock gets to around $22.65, the odds are it's a good pullback level intraday for a scalp, but you want that to happen early in the morning. All right, let's take a look at my wife's favorite store, Nordstrom. JWN is a major retailer. Stock is trading at $75. It closed at $74.15. Again, I don't know if there's much we could do at Nordstrom at this stage of the game, but it will be on my radar once the opening bell rings. If the stock by some chance sells off to $71.50, it's a stone cold buy. I'm not sure that's going to happen right now. It is trading up a little bit, but it's kind of in its same range, so there's not much we could do with it at the moment, but we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. So if you have not traded along with us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing there each and every day. It's been a stellar, and I do mean a stellar 2015, and we're going to look to keep that going throughout the rest of the year. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we have going on each and every day. Let's take a look at GMCR. This stock is getting absolutely pounded today. It closed at $103.07. It is now trading at $96.10. That is a beating of epic proportions. So once you see stock like this, you have to look on the charts to find a level, and I do have a couple of isolated levels out here. So I will have gaps posted up in the chat room. Most likely I have that put up right around 9 o'clock in the morning. So again, if you're looking at GMCR, you want our levels on it, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. I will have my gap levels there posted up right around 9 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, that stock's down about 7%. That's a pretty good fall. All right, let's take a look here now at Nflx, Nflx. This stock is above the $600 level. Yesterday traded at $586.85. Great move for Nflx. If you've been a member of In The Money Stocks, you know our target was to around 605, 610, and it could actually still go higher, but I do think it is approaching a little bit of an overbought condition here, at least temporarily for a few days. So again, great move on Nflx. Nothing we're going to do there, but if you own it, trail your stop loss. Let's take a look at Dillard's. DDS is the ticker symbol. Every time I see that symbol, it reminds me of a dentist. But either way, stock right now is trading around the 119.90. This is a little bit on the thinner side, meaning rarely does a stock trade a million shares. My best bet level, and it's much, much lower, I don't think we're going to see it, would be around the 112 area. But either way, there's going to be some support levels here. We're going to watch this thing once the opening bell rings. But right now, there's not much I'm going to do with it initially at the open. I'm going to let it play out a little bit, and we'll see where it goes. But I do love the 112 level if it does get down there. Let's take a look at PAYC. This is called Paycom Software. I've never traded this name before, but it is on my radar this morning. Seen a nice little gap down. It's trading at 36.35, closed at 39.25 yesterday. Couple levels here that I like. 33.90 is okay, but I really love the $30.50 level. If it gets there, light volume or no volume, I will be a buyer. It looks like I got through all of the names that I wanted to get through today. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting hit a little bit today, down $9.40. Gold has been on a tear, though. We've had a huge move up in gold. What's the catalyst here? Probably is the dollar, but we're going to check that out in just a second. You're going to see gold, GLD is trading at 116.64, closed at 117.18. If you've been an InTheMoneyStocks member, you know that the GLD hit resistance yesterday. Not a surprise to see a pullback today. Let's go over to the dollar real quick. U.S. dollar index is trading sharply higher today, so nice little pop in the dollar. Dollar is trading around the 94 level. This is a good little move. Generally, when the dollar goes up, that will have a negative effect on gold and oil, and it is having a negative effect on both. Light sweet crude is trading down 69 cents to $60.15 a barrel. Let's take a look at the USO. You're going to see the USO is trading at $20.33. It closed yesterday at $20.53, so nice little dip there in the USO. Again, if you want to trade oil, gold, and everything else along with us, equities, and furthermore, watch everything that we're doing intraday. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see a desktop live, and you'll see everything that we're doing. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day right now. Futures are trading higher by $2.50. We'll see where they go. This is an options expiration, so remember the games will still be played. You've had a lot of rumors out here this week. There's been a lot of choppy stocks, but all in all, the markets have still held up pretty well. With that being said, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.